Are you looking for a very easy way to translate your YouTube videos? Stay tuned for the reward. Hello fellow creators. First off, let me give you some good advice. Translating your YouTube videos will guarantee to give you around 20% more viewership to your videos. Trust me, I'm telling you this upon my own experience. I have decided to create this tool and the tutorial because I know how painful it is to do the translations to each video every time you upload, unless you can afford TubeBuddy Pro. So let's dive into it. I suggest you to download the installation setup because it will be easier and secure to use. Once you open the app, you'll see this window. Went with the dark theme since most of the creators are night owls. It's just simple as this. Copy and paste your video title and the description onto the boxes on the top. Then just hit any language button. Don't worry, these buttons are customizable. I will show you how to in a few seconds. This program is using Google Translate to perform the translations, so these are on point. Other than the buttons, you have a combo box to add more languages. To translate to the already selected language, just double-click the combo box. To translate to other languages, just drop down and select the language. The application will show you if you're exceeding the YouTube character limits for both title and description. As you can see, it will turn red if you try to do so. Sometimes the translated text could be exceeding the character limit. Application will notify that too. Let's try the description. Look at that. Just hit the copy button next to title box to copy the title and paste it in your YouTube video translation. Same with the description. Perfect. Okay, now let's take a quick look at the settings. You'll find language settings here. As you can see, almost all the languages are available here. Once you hit the add button, it will be added to the combo box. Just like that. Let's try customizing a few buttons. You have 11 buttons. Don't ask me why 11. Perfect. This is something that'll be useful for creators with multiple channels. You can keep these set of languages you chose as a template. Just give it a name and save it. Now let's try loading the old one and the new one back and forth. Just like that. So easy. You can also delete the templates with a few clicks. Then clear everything with just a click. Remember, application will remember everything. If you have multiple displays, it will remember the last display it was open and the window size. Everything's made easier for you. I suggest you to use TubeBuddy to find out most accurate languages for your channel. If this tool made your life a bit easier, you can support me on Patreon to keep creating more tools and update this tool into a more advanced version like a browser extension. Links are in the description. Please let me know if there are any bugs in the program. That's it for this video, people. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and a comment. You can ask for more tutorials and questions. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more cool videos like this. Subscribers also can enter future giveaways on TechTac. Okay, see you peeps in the next video. TechTac, out.